My first attempt at doing this, I had to stop for a while because my back took a hit. It went on vacation. So now I'm trying to go back at it again and continue where I left off at. This time, Manny came out and helped me to even it out because first of all, I had everything crooked and off balance. So now we can continue, or I can continue getting this done. Now that the raised garden bed is completed, I'm adding cardboard, leaves, branches, whatever to it to, you know, bring it up so I'll have to use less soil. So here I started off with the cardboard and some roots, tree roots that I dug up because I did dig the tree stump out of there, so I put that in there as well. This over here is a work in process. I would eventually like it to look like this, possibly. This is where I'm at now. I covered it up because we're expecting a little minor windstorm coming along. But what I did, after filling it up with the other stuff, my neighbor was cleaning up his yard, raking up all his leaves, and I asked him for them, so he brought them over here in his trash can and poured them in here. I'm using this as a filler, of course. Now this is ultimately what I would like to do with the garden bed. Back here I need to paint the back of this house. I wish I could just go ahead and get it with the siding or get it stuccoed, but I'm just going to go ahead and paint it. It's an addition and they didn't do a good job with the paint. Trying to use a pressure washer for the first time. I didn't know what I was doing. I read the instructions. Problem is, I thought about it. I said, shouldn't the machine be making some type of noise? After going in and asking for help, he asked me to check the GFI, the plug outside. Sure enough, I had to push the button on it and it started working. Because I was wondering, I said, wait a minute, now this looks like I'm just using the water hose washing the stones down. Because I thought a pressure washer is supposed to make noise and put some real power out. Child, after I got a hang of it, I was having a good time. I was washing everything in sight. I even did outside, the side of the yard. I didn't film that part. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.